Hi, hello viewers. Alright, in this question or in this session, I'm going to be showing you how to identify relative atomic mass of elements. Now, when we have an isotope of elements that have different masses appearing, how do we identify their average mass number, or how do you calculate the average mass number? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. But if you've not subscribed or you've not followed this page or channel, make sure you do that at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Alright, now the question we are going to adapt here is, we are told that if 100 atoms of an element X contains 70 atoms of X9 and 30 atoms of X11, calculate the relative atomic mass. Alright, in this question we are going to be using a symbol RAM. RAM simply means relative atomic mass, and we are told to calculate the relative atomic mass of that particular element. And we don't know the element, we are told that the element is X. So the relative atomic mass of that element is X. And we are also given two isotopes there. The first isotope, we are told that it has a mass the mass is 9. Whenever you write an isotope and you see a number at this place, it simplifies the mass numbers. And its abundance is 70. Meaning, if it is 100, according to what they say, the atoms are 100, but out of those 100, 70, which is called 70% actually, is this particular atom, and the other 30% has a mass of 11. Now, how do we get the average of these two isotopes? That is what we are trying to calculate now. Alright, now let's simply do that. First of all, the abundance of the first given isotope is 70 times the mass of that first given isotope, we are told that it's 9, plus now the second given isotope was what? The percentage is 30 multiplied by its mass, which was 11. Right, now all over the total abundance, right? If it was a percentage, it would be 100, but they say the atom is 100, which also identify or also talks about percentage, right? So all over 100, the total atoms of that. Now let's simply calculate that. The relative atomic mass of X will be 70 times 9 gives us 630, plus 30 times 11 gives us 330, all over 100. And we simply add the two values here. We are going to get 960 divided by 100, and 960 divided by 100 gives us 9.6. So the mass of that particular element is 9.6. Have a nice day.